Welcome back to Pound It Garage. So it's getting close to 500 subs. I've got a little thing we're going to do at 500. Let's have a look. Alright, so at 500 subs I'm going to bottle feed this crappy VS Ecotech until the rods come out of the block. So what I need you guys to do, smash that sub button and let's make this thing happen. I don't like Ecotechs, blown up quite a few. So what's another one? Alright, smash the sub button, let's get this done. Be good or be good at it. We'll see you next time.